Hello, hi beautiful people. Thank you for tuning in today. Sheila here. So this is Wandegeya. We are in Wandegeya right now. We are coming from the side of Makerere. So this is still Makerere Hill Road. These are the Wandegeya traffic lights. Wandegeya Junction, Wandegeya traffic lights. It usually has a lot of commotion. Anyway, here we are today. You are coming with me. We are going to Ntinda. Ntinda Chiwatule Road. Guys, you see I'm summer. Guys, I'm summer tabula. Let me tell you something. I'm summer. You can spot. You see. Ha! The scarf even has Norway. Why he was coming from Norway, I do not know. I almost. I'm summer tabula. Anyway, this is Wandegeya. These are the Wandegeya traffic lights. So we are going to go all the way. We are going to check out the road construction on Kira Road. There is ongoing road construction. Then we are going to check out the new buildings, because obviously there are new buildings going on, many new buildings going on. Of course I have to show you. I told you this year everything I see you are going to see. So I was going to do something in Tinder. And of course I got your video, because there is always a new update every day. So even if I give you a certain road this week and then I bring it the next week, just be rest assured that there are updates that I'm showing you. So anyway, on the right we have the Ministry of Public Service. Right here on the right, this is Wandegeya. We are in Wandegeya but approaching Mulagoya. The road on the right takes you up to Nakasero, where takes you to Silver Spoon, then keeps on taking you Emin Pasha, and up there Nakasero Hospital, then the hotels and all that. Yeah. So this used to be the Wandegeya roundabout back in the day. You remember that lousy roundabout that was here? So they fixed it with traffic lights. This is how it looks like at the moment. We do have a mzungu on a border. The economy is economy, but regardless, we move. Anyway, these are the traffic lights. I think they've helped a bit with the traffic, because the roundabout, it was such a mess. The cars, we have quite a lot of cars in Kampala. We have quite a lot of cars, and yet the roads are narrow, yeah? So traffic is just inevitable. Now, if you get that mix and put a roundabout on such busy roads, that is total caviar. But anyway, this is us crossing through. On the right, if you take the right is Yusuf Lule. It takes you up to the golf course, up to Garden City, up to Ginger Road. If you take the left takes you to Pastor Kakande's church, and then Kalere or Waise, yeah? So on the left, that is Mulago Hospital. If you take that road there, that is Mulago Hospital. And what do we have here? The road construction. You see, they're putting the underground drainage. By now, if you've been here for a while, you know how it goes. You know how they are constructing the roads now, because I have shown you everything. So we have District 24 over there. Guys, you know the beer I take? It is 15,000 at that place. A small bottle of cider is 15,000 at District 24. Anyway, let me show you what's going on again, make money. Because of course there are people who go and drink and just pay and leave. Normal beers are 10,000, yeah? And then the one I like is 15,000. So once again, make money. So this is us continuing. Let's carry on. They're digging out the trenches, you see, on the left. They're digging out trenches. Then we have iron sheets on the left, but those ones have been there for a while. There used to be levels there. Levels, you remember levels? For the people who partied in COVID, levels. There was a time police raided it, and then people were jumping over the fence and all that, yeah? That is the Uganda Museum. It is under renovation. The fence, at least, I don't know about inside, but the fence is under renovation. The Uganda Museum. Then we have the British Council. Then that arrow says Chitante School, Chitante Primary School. You can take that road to reach Chitante Primary School, yeah? But this road construction is now like 3 or 4 months in. 3 or 4 months in, and I know it's going to keep on going and going and going. I think they'll be done in like June or July. Mark my words. I think they'll be done in like June or July. You know how it goes. You know how it goes here. And it looks like they're just digging out the trenches. But listen, give them until June or July. Me, I'll tell you. I'll update you. So anyway, that is City Oil Kamocha. That is Acacia Mall over there on the right. If you take the left, left is Mawanda Road. Takes you to Mulago. The right is the Acacia Road that takes you to the golf course. Again, we do have videos here of all these roads, all of these roads, in case you are new here, in case you missed them. We have videos when we are coming from all directions, we are approaching all directions. Let me tell you something, we have all the videos, so check them out on the channel and see something. So this is us continuing. This is Kira Road. You guys, you see that car that we are always spotting. You see that car? What about even the border guy stopped? You know how these border guys never stop. I mean, the one in front of us and then the other one that was passing. You know how they never stop for anything. But there is that car that you see and you give distance. Even me who drive, even I drive, but there is that car that is going to be in front of you and you're going to give it distance, because in case anything happens, where are you going to get 5 million for the light? The light alone is 5 million. The light alone, like this, is 5 million. You just tell him, sir, here my keys, just take my car and let me look for the rest of the money. Anyway, jokes aside, guys, this is Kira Road. So the road is dug out, as you can see. We have roadworks going on. Roadworks are going on. The trenches, they're fixing the trenches. They're fixing the road. We have a bit of road diversions here. You see what is going on? Again, it has been like this. I think this is like the 3rd month or something. 3rd or 4th month. And they still have a long way to go. You know how it goes. So we have the material on the right. You can see the material, road construction material. A little bit of traffic. This was a Saturday morning, so we have a little bit of traffic here. Just a little bit, because Saturday is not supposed to have like heavy traffic, but yes, it usually has some because people are coming out to go and do their stuff and all that. But here we are. Okay, let's check out what is happening. This is Kira Road, and we are heading for, of course, we're going to go Bukoto, then Ntinda, and all the way. Of course, I'm going to show you everything that is going on. So that side, you cannot access that side. There is a road diversion here. The cars slope down and then they join this road. I actually got a video when I was coming back. I'll give you the journey back as well, because the view is different. Yeah, don't mind the road being the same. The view going is not the same view coming back, however much the road is the same. So I'm going to be giving you the journey when I was coming back again, so that you see things from a different point of view. Yeah. So if you take the right is Lugogo bypass. We have a previous video when I was passing via Lugogo bypass. Somewhere here on the left is Kira Road Police. I think you've seen the police car, Kira Road Police, somewhere there on the left. Then on the right we have the brown flats, the Bukoto brown flats on the right. Then somewhere on the left we are going to see the white flats, the Bukoto white flats. So as we carry on, we do have a KFC here. This is a KFC Bukoto. We do have quite a number of them in the city here. So on the right we do have a Toto Bukoto, that is a Toto Bukoto over there. Then on the left we have the white flats, the ones I was telling you about. They are over there. The other ones were the brown ones. These are the white ones. We do have a road somewhere there that takes you to Naguru. There is a road on the right that takes you to Naguru. If you take it, it takes you to Naguru. Then on the left, it takes you to Kamocha. The road on the left takes you to Kamocha. So, moving forward, do you see the Sudiro building? Up front there, in front there, we do have a building, a very, very big building that Sudiro is building. Definitely going to be a hotel of a kind or something like that, but it is huge. It is big. There in front. I hope you, oh, I know you're seeing it. Not even I hope, I know you're seeing it. So, still on Kira Road, we have a church on the right. That church took years and years. It took ages to get done. Ages. By ages, I mean ages. Like 15 plus years when they were still building it. Anyway, we have apartments over there. We have people selling things on the streets here. Then, the church, obviously. Then if you take the left, that left can take you to Chisasi. The left is Bukoto, but it can take you to Chisasi as well. So moving forward, that is Naguru Hill. Overhead, there at the top, Naguru Hill, we have Skies Hotel, we have NBS, we have quite a lot going on there. Then this is the building, very, very big, massive building going on here. It is huge, it is big. Actually, you will see it better in the video when I was coming back, yeah? Just like I mentioned, yes, it is the same road, but the views are different. It cannot be the same view, however much it's the same road. So you'll see that building better in the next video I'll post when I'm coming back to Mengo, yeah? So on the left used to be Cayenne. It used to be Cayenne back in that day. I know some of you have been at Cayenne. I know some of you partied go at Cayenne. I am very, very sure about that. It was Cayenne, then it was something else, then it was something else. Right now it is the Villa. Then on the right, that is the road that takes you to Skies Hotel Naguru, and NBS Next Media, and quite a lot going on there. There are nice houses and nice views and nice apartments and all that, yeah. On the right, that is Uganda Funeral Services. Then we have B Plus just next to it. Someone's car had broken down there on the left, but let's carry on. We have this is TMT. They call the building TMT. It has a TMT supermarket, and then other shops going on. There are other shops like bridal shops, and then electrical things and all that. We have just passed by people of, I think it's the Jehovah Witness. You know those people who put on white, like the white shirts and grayish bottoms, and then they be walking around, giving out books and spreading the word of God. We've just passed by them there on the left. Anyway, moving forward, we do have a Hillside Hotel there on the right. Then we have this place, it's under renovation, but it usually has, branch and, like those things of the planned kids, those things of branch of $100, and then $100 is just the entry fee. Anyway, guys, make money. Make money. That is Naguru Hill over there up top. So as we are moving forward, you see this road, Banange. We are approaching Ntinda. We are in Bukoto, but the last bits of Bukoto, we are approaching Ntinda now, yeah? This is what is going on. People have nice cars on the road meanwhile, but the roads that they are driving. We do have a big building coming up there, very big, massive building, as you can see. Then this place is called Cafene, or it used to be called Cafene, but they cut the Cafene down, so I don't think Cafene is still the name. But a very big, massive building. I will show you. It will come out better in the video when I'm coming back, yeah? So you wait for it. I'm bringing it. So this is Ntinda. We are in Ntinda. We have a very big signpost of Jaja over there on that building on the left. Then we have boutiques, as you can see. Main business is boutiques. We have a lot of boutiques going on. Of course, our narrow roads, that is us. Our electricity poles and wires, that is us. We do have Frayne supermarket somewhere there on the left. It is Frayne. It was Tuskys at some point, then it was something at some point. That is an Aponye building. Aponye, you guys know the Wandegeya of Mega Standard and all that. So this is us taking the other side that we are not supposed to. This is us taking the other side that we are not supposed to take, but well, That road takes you to Chisasi, then that road takes you to Nakawa. Yeah? So let's move. We are almost there. If you're new here, thank you for being here. Please subscribe to my channel. If you are returning, thank you for coming back over and over. I really do appreciate. Drop me a comment. I would like to hear from you. Let me know the places you'd like to see. Let me know what you think about everything. I would like, you know how it goes here, Banange. Even if you're just saying hello, say hello to me. I will say hello right back. I would like to hear from you, yeah? People paying for membership, thank you very much. I really do appreciate you supporting the hustle. Kwegamba mwebale kutambuza kintu bannange, but temukowa kutambuza kintu, tutambuze kintu badia. Thank you very much for taking your time to be here, yeah? So we do have a new building on the right, and then we do have finished buildings on the left. If you have not been to Ntinda in a while, I know you are seeing stars, eh? If you haven't been here in a while, you are not believing what is going on. New building coming up on the right, then another nice building here on the left. This is Ntinda. So for the apartments this side, for you to get a nice one, it has to be like 1 million, like 1.5. Like 1 million, like 1.5. We do have St. Francis Primary School. I know some of you went there for your primary. So if you went there for your primary, please say hello to us. For the people who stay this side, say hello. You know how it goes. If this is your home area, if I've passed via your home area, if this is where you went to school, if this is something, anything, if you haven't been here in a minute, Bambi Motobozeko, please say hello. Video is soon coming to an end. We are going to stop somewhere there. There is some place I was going there. We're going to stop somewhere there. But thank you guys for being here. I do appreciate you. And I'll be seeing you in our next video, yeah? I'll be seeing you in our next video. Thank you guys. Please like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel. Drop me a comment. Drop me a comment, guys. Drop me a comment. People liking and commenting, very important. Sharing, people paying for membership, just wait for your videos. They're coming, yeah? Anyway, I'll be seeing you in our next video, yeah? Bye now. Tugenda kiddawe mabega.